Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily. If you've been here before, thank you very much for coming back, and if this is your first time, you're welcome. To everyone watching and liking my videos, and to everyone that has subscribed, thank you very much. And if you've not subscribed, kindly subscribe and also turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified when I post new videos. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I cooked some pork steaks and oven chips in an air fryer. The air fryer that I will be using today is the Tower 5-in-1 digital air fryer. I have a review on this air fryer which I will link up here so you can have a look. To make these air fry steaks, I'm going to need some steaks and some seasonings. For this, I'll be using garlic granules, mixed spice, turmeric, ground ginger, chili powder, table salt, Maggi stock, and sunflower oil. The first thing I'll do is to rub the pork steak with sunflower oil. Then I'll sprinkle some chili powder, ground ginger, turmeric, mixed spice, garlic granules, table salt, and the Maggi stock seasoning. These are just my personal preference for seasonings to use. You can decide to use any of these or remove or add as you like. I'll now rub the seasoning into the pork steak. When this is done, I'll flip it to the other side and repeat the same process. Rub with sunflower oil. Ground ginger, turmeric, mixed spice, garlic granules, salt, chicken stock seasoning, now I rub it into the pork steak. Once the pork steaks were fully coated with seasoning, I transferred 2 of it onto the wire rack that comes with the air fryer and placed the oven chips on the other 2 wire racks. This air fryer comes with an auto program for cooking steak, but I just decided to cook both the oven chips and the steak at 200 degrees centigrade for 20 minutes. I moved the racks about while cooking just to ensure that it is cooked evenly. And this is it fully cooked. Just slicing through the steak to show that it's been thoroughly cooked. Thank you very much for watching this video. Kindly check the review of this air fryer and other videos in which I've used this air fryer to cook. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you very much. Bye for now.